Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off Gemini Google Assistant. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If Gemini has replaced Google Assistant on your Android device and you'd like to turn it off, then what you can do is just simply head over and open up your Gemini application. Then be sure to be logged into your account if you aren't. Then once logged in, you'll be seeing your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that, and then on tapping it, you'll be provided with a bunch of options like Gemini app activity, saved info, apps, and so on. And then among the options, you'll be seeing the option that says settings. Simply select that. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the option that says Digital Assistants from Google. Then simply select it and choose Google Assistant instead of Gemini. Now once you have selected Google Assistant, this switches your default voice assistant back to the classic Google Assistant. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.